Welcome to my channel Discover with Mohsen. Today, we're embarking on an enchanting journey through the United Kingdom, a realm of timeless beauty, historic wonders, and cultural splendor. From the bustling streets of London to the scenic landscapes of the Scottish Highlands, the UK is a tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. Join us as we uncover the gems that make the United Kingdom a traveler's dream. Our first stop is the vibrant city of London at the heart of the United Kingdom. From the iconic Big Ben and Tower Bridge to the historic Westminster Abbey, we'll delve into the bustling streets and cultural wonders that define this cosmopolitan metropolis. Venturing north, we find ourselves in the medieval city of Edinburgh. Join us as we explore the cobbled streets of the Royal Mile, visit the imposing Edinburgh Castle, and immerse ourselves in the rich history and traditions that make Scotland's capital a must-visit destination. Leaving the urban hustle, let's journey into the English countryside. Explore with us as we meander through rolling green hills, visit historic estates like Blenheim Palace, and discover the charm of quaint villages that seem frozen in time. Our next destination takes us to the charming town of Stratford-upon-Avon, the birthplace of the legendary playwright William Shakespeare. Wander through Tudor-style streets, visit Shakespeare's birthplace, and soak in the literary and cultural heritage that permeates this historic town. As our journey through the United Kingdom concludes, we hope you've been captivated by the timeless beauty, cultural richness, and historical wonders that this incredible kingdom has to offer. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more travel content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels from Discover with Mohsen.